On today's lending list, why did you play it early? Oh, my food's here. Delivery drivers, freelancers, contractors, and self-employed workers. When your income is non-traditional, getting a mortgage can seem out of reach. On today's Lending Listicles, we talk about the 5 tips to get the ball rolling as a 1099 worker in the gig economy. Number 1, document everything. Because you don't have traditional pay stubs, underwriters will need to see as much documentation as possible to fill in any gaps. You could be asked for different types of tax forms, your business license if you have one, bank statements, P&L statements, and even letters from clients verifying working relationships. Number 2, keep personal and business expenses separate. Tons of freelancers and contract workers swear by having a business bank account that is 100% separate from your personal funds. This will also help underwriters by clearly showing all correct deposits and expenses. Number 3, clean up your credit score. If your income is variable, lenders are going to need to see a good credit score. Before you apply for a loan, preferably long before, try to get it up to 700. Higher scores open up lower interest rates and better terms, keeping your monthly payments more manageable. 4, point out year-over-year increases. You can improve your odds of getting approved by showing that business is good and that you're increasing your earnings year over year. You could prove this with your 2 years of tax documents, but if you can, go back a few more years than required. It shows them you mean business. Number 5, get pre-approved. This goes for anyone. Unless you're planning to buy your home with cold hard cash, getting pre-approved for a mortgage before heading to open houses can save you time. Plus, it's a great bargaining chip because real estate agents and sellers prefer buyers who know their budget. See, you could do this. Sure, it might be a little different than the traditional route, but isn't a home of your own worth it in the end? For the entire list of ways to start the process and more lending listicles, head to our Movement Mortgage blog or contact a Movement Mortgage loan officer near you.